Muscle Wall is an innovative product that is changing the way we look at fighting floods, containing water and other materials. Our product is revolutionary in the way that we can rapidly respond to incoming threats, saving time, energy, and money. The Muscle Wall deployment process has been rigorously tested and refined for multiple applications. Proper installation is crucial for maximum effectiveness. The Muscle Wall can be deployed with as few as 2 people, but as with anything, the more people, the quicker the process. The 4-foot Muscle Wall will arrive with 12 units or 72 linear feet on each pallet. Begin unloading the trailer and strategically placing the pallets throughout the deployment area. Remove the upside down wall first when deassembling the bundle. Always remove the top layer before the layer below. When lifting the wall, have 1 person on each side, lift up and tilt backwards, freeing the securing pegs, and then lower the walls to a comfortable and safe carrying position. When removing the upright wall, 1 person on each side, slide the wall to the front and lower it to a safe and comfortable carrying position, being careful not to drop the wall, which could cause damage to the product and/or personal injury. Always handle the walls with care. Muscle Wall's patented toe design is the key to the system. The toe utilizes the weight of the encroaching water or material to offset against the hydrostatic pressures pushing against the wall. It is very important to always face the toe of the wall towards the material that's being contained. Begin setting Muscle Wall along the predetermined deployment area. When connecting one wall to another, raise the Muscle Wall high enough to rest the edge on top of the connecting wall. Ensure the male and female ends are lined up, then slide the joint together. Be sure to exercise proper lifting techniques and to keep hands free of the joint while the Muscle Wall is sliding into place. Set the necessary corners in place by sliding the male and female connectors together in the same fashion as the walls. The 4-foot system uses 2 2-foot corners stacked on top of each other. The corner units can be reversed to form 90-degree bends in either direction. For the 4-foot Muscle Wall system, 2 safety straps are required for each joint. They are located inside of the rubber cap on top of each unit. Remove the safety strap and insert them through the Muscle Wall in the closest holes to the joint. And so the buckle of each strap is on the side of the wall without the toe, as shown. Tighten only the top strap for now. When installing safety straps on the corners, both straps attached to the corner unit will need to run through the bottom kiss screw on the 4-foot wall. Always tighten the top strap first, because tightening the bottom strap will cause the corner to shift upward. Begin filling Muscle Wall with water using your preferred water source. In most situations, filling the walls 3/4 full is all that is necessary. At this point, the Muscle Wall system is ready for the liner to be deployed. We have prepared a variety of different installation guides tailored to each specific surfaces or environments that the Muscle Wall may be deployed on. These guides will need to be used to complete the deployment of the Muscle Wall. They can be found at musclewall.com.